Today, we're going to take a look at a basic workflow for reviewing and completing supervised documents as the supervisor. So from our home page, we're going to go to Clinical. We're going to go to Supervisors. And here we're going to find a list of any documents from clinicians that we supervise that are ready for review. You can see under Status, this document shows it was reviewed by the supervisee, meaning it's ready for us to look at it as the supervisor. So let's go ahead and click into that. And when looking at a document that you are the supervisor for, you'll notice these little icons to the right of every input field. If we click on those, it's going to give us a place where we can enter notes to our supervisee. And when we're done reviewing, if we want to send it back to our supervisee for them to review our notes, we can go to Save. And when we get this pop-up, we're going to hit Save and Send. So now this document has moved to a different status. If we go look at it in the patients list, we can see it shows reviewed by supervisor now. And if we go back to our clinical supervisors section, we're going to see that that document is no longer there because it is not currently in a state where it needs us to look at it. Now, once the supervisee has reviewed our notes and made their changes, they're going to send it back to us and it's going to appear in this list again. Let's take a look at that. So now you can see this document has returned to our list. The document status is once again set to reviewed by supervisee, meaning our supervisee has looked at it, reviewed our notes, and is telling us that they're ready for us to review it again. So we can go ahead and click through. And we can review the changes the supervisee has made. And if we like what we see, we can go ahead and sign off on this document and complete it. So to do that, we're going to come down here to the signature line. We're going to enter our password. And we're going to hit sign and complete. And here you can see we have our completed document. All right, and that is pretty much all you need to know to complete a supervised document in CarePaths. Thanks for watching.